What are we getting ready to go do?
Camping.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
That's gonna be fun, huh? We're getting ready to load up in the car. Who are you bringing with you today?
Kua.
Yep, and you picking us some flowers before we go?
Look at all these flowers. These are gonna be for me.
Okay, that sounds pretty fun. Maddie's all ready to go camping. Yeah. We're gonna go to Leavenworth and camp. There's that cute girl.
Got your dress wet. Try not to get your shorts wet. You can hand me Maddie back.
I don't think she wants to get back in the water.
Hey.
I'm going to get in the water.
Heck yeah, I do. Take off my shoes. Is the rock slippery?
No. At least the part that's not in the water anyway. Where is it going?
Just terrified.
I've never seen
Hi, bear!
You gotta see a bear. Where'd he go?
He went up.
Wait for mom.
I've never seen a bear in real life before.
That wasn't
got
a
it
baby
over
cub.
It was young though.
Yeah,
Definitely a
that's a year. I mean, a while.
There it is. Bye, bear.
That's so cool.
Yeah, I noticed that. I wasn't sure what.
Oh, sorry, what? I don't think a few people washing their dishes makes all the water.
Since I wasn't putting in there.
Hey, that's a big head, kiddo.
Sorry.
Gotta be careful where you're throwing things, okay?
You're fine.
Whoa!
Where are we going, Reagan?
We're going to a Columbia.
Oh, there's a squirrel. Hello, squirrel. It's right on the edge of the tree. See it? Hello, squirrel. Bye. What are we doing, Reagan? We're gonna get ready to go over a bridge?
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited for the bridge?
Yeah.
Have you ever been on a bridge before?
Yeah. And then let me go, Daddy.
What?
Let me go.
And then let me go.
Ooh, Reagan, you wanna look over the edge? Do you wanna walk?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, here, let's get across the bridge first.
Oh, bridges make Dad nervous, apparently. Oh, wow.
Heck yeah.
There you go. Blinded by the sun.
We made it to Lake Wenatchee on our hike. We still have further to go, but we found this little spot. It's super windy, but it's pretty. Ooh, very windy.
What'd you get, 4?
2.
That's good.